A chart is a graphical representation of your worksheet data. We will use this table to insert a chart. It's about parks that are frequently visited by people. And here's the percentage of the visitors, how often they visit these parks. Okay, for example, Park A is visited by 100 people in a certain time period, within a certain time period. And so the percentage is 3%. This is the northern town. Okay, it's a fictional town that I have given over here. And these are the names of the parks, of course. We want to insert a chart. What we're going to do is first select this these park names and then press and hold the control key and then select this. All right, so let me show you which key I'm talking about. I'm talking about this key, okay? For example, in your keyboard, you will first of all, okay, with your mouse or your touchpad, you will select this range, then press this key and keep, hold it right there. And then you can select this range, C4 to C9, all right? Then lift your finger from this key, okay? And that'll be it. So you have selected this and this column. You need to use your keyboard, okay? Make sure I'm just showing you this on-screen keyboard. You don't have to use this. You can use your keyboard, of course. Insert. When you click on insert, you will see recommended charts. You can click on this. Let's take a look at this pie chart over here. This is on the right pane. It will give you a live preview when and how you can use this, the description below. For now, we are going to use clustered column. Click on this. You will get the clustered column. Chart elements. Go to chart title. You can see how it behaves. All right, more options. Check out more options when you have, enough time. For example, you can have gradient over here. You can have solid fill, and you can change the color from here. I don't have any of these, so I'm just gonna close it. No need of this. So no fill, nothing, no title options, no text options for now. Closing it. I'm just going to select within this text box, and I'm going to write visitors percentage. Okay, park visitors percentage. Park visitors percentage. All right. Click anywhere outside the canvas and you will go back to chart elements, access titles. Make sure this is enabled, you know, at the bottom and on the left, primary vertical access title. All right, so at the bottom on the left, you have gotten this. You can select and you can write here park names, or whatever you have. And here I will type percentage according to the data that I have. I am using these titles, okay? Axis, x-axis and y-axis titles. These are done. You can click outside and the menu and the submenu will be gone after that. Well, if you decide so, you can come back and you can go to chart title and you can click on above chart. Okay, so this chart will go up and the rest of the things will go below it. Click here outside, and now I believe I want to have a different chart style. Okay, so if I want to have a different one, then what I'm going to do is click on this, go to design. You will see that the ribbon will adapt to show the tools to work, you know, different type of chart styles, and several other commands and options will be provided to you. Change the chart type. I want to have, for example, pie chart, and I'm going to select which one I like from one of these choices. I will go with 3D pie. Let's insert it. You have this 3D pie chart. Go to chart elements, chart labels. Okay, so here you have center, inside end, outside end. I will go with outside end for now. And I'm going to select the home tab, and I want to have a little bit bigger data. Okay, so the font size will be 12 for me. Whatever you like, it's up to you. And I'll click on legend. The legend can be on the right side, on the top, on left, at the bottom. Okay, I'll keep it left. There you go. If you are looking for different chart styles, again, click on the canvas, go to design and select, for example, this chart style, if you like so. If you don't, go back to the original one that you had before this new chart style. Click here and the data will be deselected, okay, and everything can be then saved and your work will be done. You can save your work. You can move your chart from here. You can move a little bit, make it, change the size, and that's it, okay? Your work is done. If you want to have this chart on a different worksheet, click here, go to design, move the chart, change the name of the worksheet, new worksheet, and call it Park Visitors, Park Visitors chart, okay? Park Visitors, let's call it percentage. All right, so let's call it percentage. Park Visitors percentage chart. And bring it over here, and the chart is here. So chart and the table, we have these things, really nice. Park A is 34% and Park F is 3%. So there is, if you think that you entered the data incorrectly, then you can, and if you want to change the data, for example, you want to switch from Park A to F, this 1010, then you can write 1010 here, and you can go to Park A and you can write 100 visitors there, and this will be reflected over here. Should be. So Park F has become 34%. Is showing 34% visitors, whereas Park A is showing 3% now. This is how you can change the data, and this will be shown over here in the chart. Any changes in the table will be shown in the chart. Okay, that's it for now. Have a nice day. Take care of yourselves.